hello! I need to be far from the camera. Far as possible because kakatapos ko lang maligo. It's literally 8 AM and I have to leave my house at 11. Oh my gosh, wait lang. So kakatapos ko lang maligo and ang kailangan kong gawin. Oh my gosh, wait lang. This video pala is inspired by Avery Ovard. If you guys don't know her, why not? We're gonna do a transformation in 3 hours, I think. I think I'll be able to do that. We will do a transformation. Grabe, tinan niyo yung mukha ko ngayon. First things first, I'm the realist. Driving my car, I'm a fearless. Dapat mag-walks ako. Kasi tinan niyo naman. Diba? Haba na. But, unfortunately, may nakalimutan ako mga bagay na hindi naman talaga dapat kakalimutan, pero nakalimutan ko kasi I'm a cute person. And that's just how it works with us, cute people. But that doesn't matter at the moment. First things first, I'm the realist. I need to stop making that joke. First things first, we're gonna do skincare. Okay, we'll do skincare. Oh my gosh, kadiri yung mukha ko. I'm so sorry. Wow, I literally look 10 times uglier. But of course, we're gonna do face mask. Face mask lang kasi if we do a clay mask, oh my gosh, kasi papasok pa ako mamayang hapon. And I'm not about to exfoliate tas lalabas ng bahay. I think I'll be going for the dewy one kasi wala lang. So ito, kinikip ko to kasi meron pa siyang tira-tira dyan and nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. Now, we shall put you on my face. Oh, hi! So, it's gonna stay on my face for a long time. Oh my gosh, para ako nakabotox. Di ako makapag-facial expressions. But, beauty is pain. Beauty is ganda. I'm a firm believer na ang pangit na ng kuko ko. So, today, magmamanicure tayo. Okay na ba to? Dito na ba tayo? So, ang lilinisin ko lang talaga ay ang aking kamay. Kuko pala sa kamay. Kasi wala na akong time para ayusin ang kuko ko sa paa. Ba't ako nag-gun? Ito yung kuko ko sa kamay, if you guys haven't seen it. Of course you haven't, but that is not up for debate. Yikes. Ito yung panlinis ko. This is the, bonus, SM bonus cuticle remover. Ganito lang siya. Pasok. Oh, bawi. So, pag nalagay mo na, alam nyo, hindi ko talaga alam ba't ang dami kong dada. Kasi I'm pretty sure, alam nyo guys, kung paano to gawin. Pero, I'm gonna talk anyway. Tapos after nun, use this. Shing-a-ling-a-ling. Do that. Magugupit na tayo. Then I will do the final.
It's the final count.
Holy fucking shit. Where's my phone? Oh my gosh, ang layo. Lilipat na tayo ng lugar kasi obviously hindi naman maganda doon kasi nahulog ka. Wait. Since tapos na tayo maglinis-linis, we're gonna do nail polish. Ito yung nail polish ko. This is the Happy Skin Nail Rebuilder Serum. This is from Faye. Hi Faye, if you're watching. Kung one day nag-wonder kayo kung ano itsura ko na walang kilay. Welcome back to Twitch. This is not really a nail polish. Like for it to be seen, kailangan mo mag-ilang ilang layers. But for today, kasi gusto ko matuyo agad siya. Kasi may pasok pa. Midterms namin today. I just wanna say that. Midterms. And I'm about to quake. Lit-lit na nga ng upper lip ko. Tinatakpan pa nila. So, parang ganyan na siya. Colorless. Yun, di ba? It's really just to rebuild your skin. Your nails. Oh my gosh. Ayun na siya. Alam ko naman hindi nyo nakikita. But, I see it. I like it. I want it. Yeah, I want it. Pero kasi, it's just for rebuilding your nails. So, it doesn't really matter. Para lang ako tanga ngayon. Para akong, Ewan ko, siguro kasi bangag pa ako. Like, I don't usually wake up at this time. So, gagawin ko na yung kabilang nail, which is harder. Kasi, if you guys don't know, I'm a right-handed person. I like to write in hand. I like to hand in write. I like to write using my right hand. Anyway, I'm gonna start na nga. Ang dami kong dada. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, pagod na ako. Pagod! Napaputan yun. Take 2. Pagod na ako. Pagod! Napagod! Napagod na ako. Pagod na ako linisin yung mga kalat mo. Pagod na akong isipin ko paano mo nakakaya makita akong Anong Tagalog na? Pagod na ako linisin yung mga kalat mo. Pagod na akong isipin ko paano kinakaya makita akong mag-crawl. Para lang mabayaran tong putangin ng kuryenteng to. Best cut nail movie, I'm not kidding. So, my nails are done. All my nails are done. I'm ready to go. Grabe na yung buko sa kilikili, ang haba na, but it doesn't matter at the moment. Grabe yun. Kakaano lang, nasira na agad. Nasira na agad. Hindi nyo din makita, pero kita ko kasi. Kaya ang sakit. Ang sakit! Sakit na mga kalat mo! Oh, hello there. Now we're gonna remove this, thing. No, it's called a mask. So, this is what I do. Oh my gosh, mukha pa din pala akong tanga. Wait. Pagkatanggal ko ng face mask, meron pa kasi mga tira-tira. Tapos, nilagay ko lang sa mukha ko. Usually talaga, pinapatagal ko to sa mukha ko. Like, hinihintay ko siyang tumuyo. But today, I'm in a rush, and I have to rush. No, actually, I'm not on the rush, but I feel like I'm on the rush. After this mask, let's do the toner. Shit, ang pangit na talaga ng nail polish ko. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko. You're not supposed to put toner all over a moisturizer. I forgot the name. Sunscreen. Have you ever felt like mukha kang tae? Because that's me every day. Except on days pala, when I feel like mukha akong ihi. Hindi, may mga araw talaga na parang ang ganda-ganda ko lang. Tapos may mga araw na parang, bakit? So now we're gonna do... Now we're gonna do makeup. I'm not gonna talk na lang because you guys probably know what I do with my makeup. And if you don't know what I do with my makeup, sis, what you doing? Ang dami kong videos. Ang dami kong videos na ginagawa yung isang makeup lang. So, my gosh, I don't even know what I'm going for. But then again, do we really know what we want? So I'm gonna So I'm gonna go and change my outfit. I'll be back later. I have lost all of my energy. I'm sorry, I removed the clips. I will return them later on. So that is my transformation. My transformation from a potato to a French fry. I'm not even sorry. I think I'm a solid 8 right now, but maybe less. That's up for debate. This was one heck of a video. Like oh my gosh, I was so madaldal. I'm sorry for all of the personalities I've shown today. Goodbye, I love you all, and thank you so much for watching this video.